chick's walking around with a stroller with 2 teddy bears. And she's talking to the teddy bear in her arm. And she's got 1 teddy bear in the stroller herself. Some people are really interesting. Give them that. Here we are. We arrived at the house, I believe. It's got parking. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. Parking for a nice house. Yes. Pretty good. Seems pretty stable. Normal street. Got some nature around here. I beat them here. I'm faster on bike than they are by car. Oh, quiet little neighborhood. Yeah. Hopefully I'm at the right house. It's the address I put in, so better be. There's a hole here. Ooh. Metal. Got some new houses around here as well. Just off a busy road here. Well, sort of busy, I should say. Yeah. Interesting. Quiet little neighborhood. Beautiful nature. Alright. Beautiful area. Hey, there they are now. There goes the agent and my client. What service, huh? So, oh well. Guess they're gonna come around the corner here. Yep, I knew it. All right. Picked them up from the station. I took my bike here. All right, there they are.
Hello, Mr. Collins.
What's your name?
Maxwell.
What are you doing here in Japan?
I'm here for tourists mostly.
And to buy a
House.
That's right, buy a house. Why do you want to buy a house in Japan?
Because it's cheap and affordable.
Wow, you know your stuff. How did you find out about the cheap housing in Japan?
Well, first of all, I heard from you that you do real estate. And second of all, I've been here and my mom and dad mostly talked about buying a house in Japan. I know that my mom wouldn't buy a house that's like too expensive, so I'm probably assuming that it would be mostly cheaper.
Yeah, it's a lot cheaper. You're funny, but they're buying the house for you, right?
Yes.
Yeah, because you asked them, you want to buy a house in Japan, and they're like, okay, yes, son, we love you.
Tooth fairy money.
Are you happy about that?
Yes.
All right. You like Japan so far?
Yes.
What do you like about it?
Well, one thing I like about it is that they have a lot of video games and desserts.
Video games and desserts. What a combo. In some of the shops, you mean, or separately?
Oh, I like Yodobashi camera because you can get a lot of stuff from there. And you can also try out stuff.
Wow. Really nice to meet you. You have a really cool...
Nice to meet you, Mr. Collins.
Thank you. You have a real cool name. Maxwell, you're going to be really successful. Maxwell Smart? Is that the name? I forgot. It's been a long time since I watched that.
Get Smart.
You Get Smart. It's been years since I watched that show. All right, well, we're going to show you house number 1 today. Hope you like it. Good luck
Thank
today.
you.
You're welcome. Slippers, so let's go see the house together, okay?
Okay.
I got a lot of concrete here. Oh. Oh. New concrete. This looks pretty good.
I always think of concrete is easier to maintain.
It is, but I like garden too, so.
Yeah.
But I mean, like, this is like not beaten up or anything. It looks brand new.
Yeah, it looks really, really newly poured.
That's really weird. Okay. Like, this is the older one, obviously. Well, we got a big outside here. Okay. Welcome. Oh, wow. Look at that. Is that sticker or is that... Nah, it must be a sticker on the wall there.
Outside looks like a place from Paprika.
Anime. What's the talking about?
This is a big entrance. That's pretty cool. I've never seen that before.
Stained glass?
No,
I think it's a sticker, but I've never seen that before.
That's cute.
It's cute. Oh wow, okay. We're at a different level here. That's kind of weird. You gotta watch your step here. Oh wow, beautiful tatami room here in great condition. Look at that. You can use this as is. Wow. They redid the wallpaper too. Very nice. And you got your little Japanese guardhouse here, small one, but it's still here.
That tree looks like the
A bonsai
Miyagi-
tree?
Yeah.
Miyagi? You know Miyagi?
Yeah.
You watch Karate Kid?
Yeah.
Have you seen the Cobra Kai series?
Yeah.
You like that one?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Johnny Lawrence. That's the only TV show recently that they've actually done right.
Yeah, it's a really good example.
It's a really good show.
But that first season was brilliant.
Oh yeah. First couple actually were brilliant, but no, yeah, you're right. And I knew it right away. I just had a good feeling, especially when they made Johnny the main character. That was a smart move.
I think that season was actually really good.
Yeah.
But we're waiting for the second part of
Yeah, I just watched it 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
I got addicted. Oh yeah, these little trees out here.
Tekai, Sekai.
Seikai and Taikai Seikai. That's Seikai Taikai. Seikai Taikai. Yeah. World tournament, not the tournament world. Wow, look at that. Got a little garden out here. These trees look like they're little. Yeah, they're twins. They're bonsai trees. I don't know. Never seen that. Maybe they're just cut down because of the neighbor. This guy's got a weird setup here. Question you can ask the guy, but it's a decent. Oh, we got air conditioner already in here. Cool. Yeah, 2020 aircon. That's a bonus. That's cool.
Where's that?
2020 aircon already installed.
So you'd be
I like-
responsible for installing stove.
Yeah.
fridge, all
Oh,
that
of course,
stuff,
of
right?
course.
How-
Oh no.
For the renter,
For a renter, no.
they will have to
You
wait.
can put the stove in if you want, but a fridge, no. You can do whatever you want in
But-
Japan.
But you don't require.
You don't require, no.
Okay, they usually supply their own
No.
fridge.
Yeah, usually. I mean, if you're dealing with foreigners, though, some people want that. It's really case by case.
Sure.
I don't do it usually unless it already has
Okay,
it.
okay. If it doesn't need
So what I do is I leave my stuff in the house. It's like if I buy a house and there's stuff in it, I leave it until the renters come and say, actually, we don't need any stuff, and I just pay to throw it all away.
Okay.
So, but I leave it just in case. Yes, sir.
堀さんごめん、この間電気ついたんだけど、今日電気つかないわ。電気が。
じゃあよかった。だって今来てよかったね。
うん。
So we're lucky we came now because the electricity is actually not on.
Oh, okay.
Somebody has to pay for it, right? So.
Oh,
The garden.
yeah, no, it exits out to the side.
The garden.
Yeah.
隣に住んでるね。まあちっちゃいガーデン庭だね。
Why would anybody want to get rid of this house?
Because people move on. People
Yeah.
die and move it.
Yeah.
A lot, most of the most that's a common question. The most answer I give is that is parents who own the house get old and they move in with their kids,
Exactly.
and then they get rid of the house, and then the kids don't see the value in the properties, and they just get rid of it. I mean, look, they must have did some reforms here because this looks
Nice.
just brand new. ちょっとリフォームされたってことですか？
いや、要は住んでた時に
はい
やっただけなんで、
はい
出てからはそんなに手かけてません。
はい。いつまで住んでたんですかこっち？
ここはまあ半年前ぐらいまで。
そう売り出したのは半年ぐらい。
最近です。
そう最近。
はい。
見に来てる人はそんなにいないんですね。
いや、いると思います。
いる
安いんで、値段が。
安い？
そう
そうなの？
いちご5って値段だってそんなにないよ。車庫付き。
あ
車がなければ、
はい
1号5とかありますけど、
はい
車庫付きで、この大きさ、100平米、
はい
オーバーはそんなのない。
あ。はい。
これは田舎に行かカントリーで行かないとダメですね。
You can't go up with the kid?
I'm gonna. The slipper's a little ill-fitting, so it's. I don't want to drop him. I've dropped him.
Oh, you're gonna wait till she comes back? Okay. I didn't realize you got a fan and a light up here.
Oh,
That's
yeah. I just saw that.
that's not normal.
A little tray ceiling too.
Yeah,
It's,
that's kind of rare. Yeah, it's very good condition. Holy crap. It's like they lived here and did some renovations. They moved out.
soon, and then.
Yeah, they moved out 6 months ago and they just put it on the market. So, and he did these renovations. So these are.
If they really want to sell
There's some
big
really
box-
nice things going on here. I mean,
Oh yeah. That kitchen.
手が汚くなっちゃうよ。
He's saying the baby will get dirty hands. So. Here's the shower room. Okay, we have a big space for a laundry machine here. This needs to be cleaned, but it's still usable. Tough call. He needs a good job, good cleaning job. What do you think of the house so far?
I think it's pretty good, and I think your best option of getting it on is like, you know, like on the TV, like in America, where they have those kind of like those people who like smash the thing and then they replace the new one.
Yeah.
I think that would probably be your best bet at getting it known to the world, because a lot of people watch the TV and a lot of people are required in the hotel industry. I think that they'll probably watch TV and somehow come across that.
Okay, we're gonna go upstairs and check out. So far, we got a nice staircase here. Already got nice wallpapering. This is money saved right here.
Yeah.
Don't have to do anything here.
You can get
Oh wow, it's gorgeous.
Another tatami room.
Oh my goodness.
Buy a house in Japan.
Wow, this place is in great shape. Holy crap. Like, no renovations needed here at all. Wow, it's even got the air con already.
We'd just be cleaning the tatami, right?
Yeah, but even it's in great shape.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it's not like busted.
No, because usually if it's busted, I just replace it with cushion flooring.
Mm-hmm.
And I let it go until it comes to that stage, like usually the first 2 renters maybe. And it's like, okay. Because instead of replacing the tatami again, I just put the flooring in.
But this is an attractive thing for a person, right? To have
It can be case by case, person by person. I like it, but at the same time, I'm cool with everywhere, especially when you got pets.
One thing I
Because the
like,
pets don't do well
They
sometimes.
shred it up.
They shred it up, yeah. I'll get aircon up here as well.
Aircon here.
if I were you, I would replace that railing and make it stronger. Because let's
These are
say
falling
someone.
out. These are-
That
Yeah.
one's pretty strong, actually. That's not an issue. That's about as strong as you're gonna get. But I see what you're saying. I understand. 'Cause I'm the same thing. I don't like heights, so but that's not too high. Oh,
This is a newer aircon. There's like all sorts of.
which one? This one's 20. Is it on there? Can't find it. Oh, 2018. Yeah, not
this
bad.
is a new one. That one's
Yeah.
probably in the
Oh, wow.
90s or something.
Yeah. Oh wow, we got a balcony here too.
Yeah.
How long did the people
Little
who
outboard
lived
space
here be
Put a
here
chair here and
for?
just.
Yeah.
You know,
Wow. Cool. It was a half a year. They moved out half a year ago.
6 months.
6 months. Oh, there's the air conditioner controller right there. Yeah. That's $2,000. Huh?
Rokugetsu?
6月前に
Rokugetsu.
6月前に 6 months ago. Interesting light. Good ceilings in good shape. All 3 rooms are in great condition. That one's a
Probably
little
just use a
scratched
little
up.
bit of vacuuming and
Yeah.
good to go.
I'd say
Closets.
only
Lots of
two-
closet space.
I'd say only 2 rooms we really need
That's nice.
renovation.
This is for your
One's
futon,
the
right?
Yeah. That's
kitchen.
why they're not as strong. Actually, this is not bad actually.
Looks like it's all.
Oh, it even actually has drawers in it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Looks like it's.
That's an updated version.
Looks like it's like.
珍しいね。
That's hollow.
引き出しあるのは。
Yeah.
This is the second time I've seen this, but the last time I seen it was all in bad shape. This one's in good
だ
shape.
から夜はね、それにこだわって作ったお家ではあるんですよ。
あ、そうなの?
Yeah, this thing is
Interesting
pretty.
idea. Yeah, it's solid. Usually these are falling apart sometimes. I replace them with like a thick wood because they always build them with the thin ones because they don't think about foreigners putting junk in there. They think
Yeah.
mattresses and
Oh,
futons.
mattresses.
So that's what it's built for.
Yeah.
But when I put heavy stuff in there, it starts sinking in. So
Yeah. It flexes, but.
yeah, that's why people ask me in my videos, why you always touch the wood? That's why, because I want
Yeah,
to
you
see
wanna
how
know the
strong,
thickness,
yeah,
yeah.
how thicknesses of it.
These things are really.
Like this house has no bad wood yet so far. Oh,
3 bedrooms.
nice
here.
toilet. Okay, look at that. You got one of the already upgraded toilet. You don't have to change that. That's
Yeah.
cool. The only thing in this house I might change is the kitchen and the bathroom.
Yeah,
but it's
because
but it's still usable as is. So
Yeah.
either or.
But I doubt that whoever goes in there will really feel easy from the bathroom.
I don't know. It's everybody likes something different.
Yeah, but if it's like
Green Corporal A. My favorite color, green. Here we go, boys and girls. It's a sign. I look for signs when I'm looking for properties. There's always a sign that tells me this is the one kind of thing. So it's not bad. If you have any questions for you or him for the agent, let me know or something. Oh, what's this?
I think evil. It's another out. I think this goes to the other balcony, but I think it's kind of being held back by the other AC unit. Is it this
Oh, こっちも. Oh, I didn't realize there's a balcony here. There's 2 balconies.
Yep. So this side doesn't have the aircon, so
Okay, I see.
that's probably the
That's what it is.
micro head
Hmm.
blocking this thing.
The tiles look like they're in decent shape for the roof.
Conduit is there.
Oh.
I wonder, would it not be advisable?
This
Isn't it
thing,
like this movable?
I feel like this thing is
Is it over there?
sinking without
Yeah, but then you have to
weight.
make your hose longer.
Yeah.
I think that this floor
Is there an aircon in this room?
No.
Well, then if there is one, it'll be put here.
There's a plug.
Yeah, so there's ready to go. So if you want to put an aircon in this room,
Yeah.
it'll go right there, which is
All
perfect.
right.
So, and it's already, this is costly to do, so this is already here, so it's already
Right.
done.
だからこれいいさね。
Some bucks at aircon here.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
ridiculous in
it's-
America.
It is kind of
To
crazy.
those who are
If you go to a shop, it's a little bit more, but if you order online for $600-700 for aircon and get it installed for a couple $100,
Yeah.
it's less than $1,000. Yes, for those what?
for those who are going to buy this house
Yeah.
or those who are considering going here,
Yeah.
caution, don't put heavy stuff. That floor is sinking.
Is it?
Well, I'm a heavy guy.
Yeah,
I'm a heavy guy.
Yeah, if you
It's
put
not sinking,
heavy-
it's just bending. It's called
Yeah.
flexing.
Yeah, but you
Yeah.
put too much heavy things. I thought
Well, it
that
looks like
would
this,
really.
It's quite normal.
This top floor is maybe like what is it, PVC or something? and
Yeah.
It's on top of another.
Something like that.
Yeah, but the PVC is what's flexing probably.
Yeah. It's just flexing, so it doesn't snap. It's
Right.
fine. We're all 3 of us are out there, and plus you don't put heavy things on the balcony anyways.
Yeah.
Just 2 air
This
cons.
could be just washed and cleaned.
Yeah.
Scrubbed out and soaked. Do they have staff services where people go through and clean things, right? Just like
House?
full on, yeah. full
Yeah,
on
of
house
course,
cleaning.
of course. Staircase in great shape. This house is in pretty damn good shape. Yeah. I
Yeah.
should have taken you to the other one I saw a couple weeks ago.
This is a really nice house. I mean,
Yeah.
I could see things where personally I would do my own things too. Drill things into.
Yeah.
If I could buy some stuff off Amazon and just.
Oh, you can. Yeah, it's your house. You do whatever you want, right? I saw one for 12.8 the other day. It's like same station, no parking, and it's just like you walk in, you're like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, this has at least parking, nice concrete.
Parking. It's no work needs to be done unless you just want to upgrade.
Yeah,
It's-
everything is.
You can live it. Yeah, you can live in it right away.
It has
That's
good,
huge.
Good breeze. It's got good airflow through here.
Yeah. He's
So-
saying it's pretty cheap for the size and because that's parking, so
Yeah.
that's why, and which I agree with 100%. Yeah, I don't usually buy houses with parking because you're going to pay a lot extra for that, right?
Mhm.
Especially big ones.
Lots of neighbors if you want to be children.
It's cool what they did with this like sleeper thing.
Yeah, it is neat. What do you think of the house, sir? You like it?
Yes.
Okay.
I noticed that there's a lot of electrical plugs, so if you are buying a house and you have a kid, I would recommend that you plug all of them because it's...
Plug in all the kids?
No, plug all the...
Oh, protect them.
The consento.
That's how we learn in Japan.
Exactly.
ここがいいのは
Oh,
ジャ
Oh.
パニーズ雪見障子。
very
So
nice.
はい。
そう。
Yeah.
ここが庭でしょ。庭でここ座って、外をこ
Seat,
う。
yeah.
はい。
Privacy, yeah.
This is a nice.
そういうだからちょっと凝った人が作ってるのはそういうこ
That's very nice.
Don't react too
これ
happy.
一枚障子で
Yeah, it's okay.
飾りっていうか
I'm
ね。
just kidding. Nice.
だからこの
That's why the tree's here, I guess. だからこっちに木があるね。雰囲気はね、ちょうどいいこの木です。Nice
だか
tree.
ら冬とかたまにね雪が降ったりすると
はい
風情非
When
常
it
に
snows here, it's really nice.
Oh.
Yeah. It doesn't snow that often, but when it does.
だからこういった
かっこいい
下開けてるのも
Beautiful.
Oh, yeah,
Cool.
fun,
It's good.
fun also.
普通ここ
Oh,
開け
I
てないんです
didn't even notice that. This is not
そ
normal.
う
Yeah.
だからこれはこの
for hide and
奥
Hide and seek?
そう
Oh,
ちゃん
wow.
と明かり取り
That's so cool.
If you're playing a game of hide and
こ
seek,
この方はある程度こだわって作ったりしてそういうこと古いながらに私は窓を閉めてから
Okay, we're gonna go to the next house, okay?
okay,
Get your last views of the house.
一回外に出てくださいはい
If you have any questions, prepare them.
ちょっと外で待って
Thank you, Mr. Colin, for posting me in the video. Thank you very much. Arigato. Thank you.